Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to get a Cash App debit card. If you're looking for a simple way to manage your cash, send money to friends, or even get rewards, this card is a game changer. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to download the Cash App. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and search for Cash App. It's free, so go ahead and install it. Once it's downloaded, open the app and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide your email, phone number, and create a secure password. Don't worry, it's quick and straightforward. After signing up, verify your identity. Cash App will ask for some basic info like your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This is standard for security purposes, so make sure everything is accurate. Once verified, link a bank account or debit card to your Cash App. This allows you to add funds easily. Just follow the prompts to connect it securely. Now, the exciting part: ordering your debit card. In the app, go to the Money tab or your profile, and look for the option to get a Cash App card. You can customize it with fun designs. Think of it as your personal money accessory. Hit Order Card and it'll be shipped to you for free. Depending on your location, it might take 5 to 7 business days to arrive. When your card shows up, activate it right in the app. Open Cash App, go to your card section, and follow the instructions to verify it. Boom! You're ready to use it for everyday purchases, ATM withdrawals, or even direct deposits. Pro tip: keep an eye on fees for out-of-network ATMs, and always use it safely to protect your funds. There you have it, folks. Getting a Cash App debit card is as easy as 1, 2, 3. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay smart with your money. See you in the next video.